Hey, welcome. Today we're going to be talking about Salesforce, and in particular for those of you involved in data protection, data privacy, data security, we're going to be talking about a feature that is not that well known that will help you create accountability around your data and going forward help you comply or be ready with legislation like GDPR and so on. So we're going to take a look at this feature now and show you what you should be using. We are going to look at a feature called data classification. This allows you to assign labels to fields in Salesforce that include data sensitivity levels and the piece of legislation the field is tied to. And this will help you with compliance and/or readiness with various pieces of data legislation such as GDPR, as we mentioned. Now, using picklists, you can assign these values to fields. So here is a pick list for the legislation. These can be customized and more rows added. In this example, we can see the values for the legislation, including GDPR and so on. In the second example, we can see the data sensitivity level that can be applied to the fields. And again, they can be edited and new values created. Once these pick lists have been established, the fields can be edited and the appropriate pick list values attached along with an owner for the field. What's great about this functionality comes down to a number of benefits. First, this process forces you to audit your fields and data. What should be made accountable? Second, you will want to build adequate controls around this data and the fields. You don't want everyone viewing and editing sensitive data. Thirdly, you can make staff members accountable for these fields. Let's say you are a US-based organization with offices in Europe. You can tag your European staff members who are responsible for key fields and have them become the control owners around them. Lastly, when it comes to things like data retention, archiving, and dealing with data requests, having a framework of accountability will help your organization better manage the data you have in Salesforce, making your compliance and/or readiness much easier to manage. If you'd like more information on this topic or more details on how to implement these key pick list values and data owners, please get in touch.